Now friends, you know everything about writing a blog and you have written the blog. The time is ripe for submission. Before you do that, however, please follow this 5-point checklist for the opening punch. Number 1. Remove redundant words that mean little or nothing. These are actually really various. So example is, there are various ways to keep physically fit. It can be rewritten as, there are ways to keep physically fit. The second point that you should have on your checklist is, delete words whose meaning a reader can infer. Imagine someone trying to learn the rules of playing a game of chess. Should be rewritten as, imagine learning the rules of chess. The third point on our checklist is, dump words that repeat the meaning of other words. For example, full and complete, each and every. An example sentence is, the work is fully complete. Instead of saying this, say, the work is complete. The fourth point on this checklist has to be, replace a phrase with a word whenever you can. For example, we must explain the reason for the delay in the meeting. Should be rewritten as, we must explore why was the meeting delayed. And now friends, the final point on the checklist is, pay special attention to the verbs that you use in the opening punch. For instance, do you know that every successful company, from the humblest startups to the global conglomerate, relies on an operating budget to help them steer towards growth? Here there is no need for the verb steer. So you can easily say to help them grow. Words ending with ly and passive voice is also a big no. Now friends, you are almost at the end of all the videos that you will see, but 3 do's and 3 don'ts need repetition. So the first do is, stick to the word count, maintain flow, ensure short sentences, less than 16 words, use the checklist. After those 3 do's, here comes the 3 don'ts that you must follow to ensure that your hard work is rewarded well in the form of the writing of the blog and we publish it ASAP. The first don't is, don't make the introduction longer than 350 words and the blog less than 1500 words. Use no names or figures or studies without quoting them. Ensure that they are correct and any attribution added only adds to the credibility of your blog. So friends, you have come a long way since starting with writing the introduction and learning all about PDs, FAQs, allied keywords. So here I am wishing you all the best in writing your blogs and wish you a happy time writing. Thank you.